Phase 4 is the heart of this series. This is where the actual building happens, where an idea and a list of installed software turns into a real working application. There's so much ground to cover that I've split it into two videos. This is part 1. We'll look at the development process itself, the structure of the app, the user interface, and authentication. Part 2 covers the intelligent parts, the AI loop, the tools, the memory system, and streaming. Building software with an AI pair programmer is fundamentally different from traditional development. In traditional development, a developer sits down, thinks through a problem, writes code, tests it, and iterates. That process is slow and expensive. When Claude is your pair programmer, the cycle looks like this. I describe what I want. Claude writes the code, sometimes dozens of lines across multiple files all at once. I copy it into the right place, restart the server, open the browser, and test it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I paste the error message back to Claude. It diagnoses the problem, and we try again. A feature that might take a developer a day to write and debug can take an hour this way. My job is not to write code. My job is to be a precise, demanding product owner. The clearer I am about what I want and what isn't working, the better Claude performs. The src folder contains app.js, a single JavaScript file that is the entire React frontend. Every button, every chat bubble, every sidebar panel, one file. The server folder contains the backend. Inside it, index.js sets up the Express server. The routes folder handles the AI conversation endpoint. The lib folder has agent.js, which contains the core AI logic. The tools folder has one file per tool Jarvis can use. That's it, about a dozen meaningful files, not hundreds. The chat window is clean. You type a message, it goes to the top, and Jarvis's response appears below it as it streams in, letter by letter, like watching someone type. All of this was built iteratively. The first version was basically a white box with a text input. Over many sessions, we added a proper dark theme, streaming responses, typing indicators, a memory panel, and mobile responsive layout. Using Clerk for authentication means that when you visit the Jarvis URL, you're presented with a login screen. After you sign in, Clerk issues a secure token that travels with every request you make to the server. The server checks that token before doing anything. No valid token, no response. Don't build what already exists. Authentication, Clerk, AI inference, Anthropic, web search, Tavali's API, database tooling, Prisma. Your job is to wire these things together intelligently, not to reinvent them. In part 2, we get into the parts that make Jarvis actually intelligent: the agentic loop, the tool system, memory, and streaming responses. This is where it goes from a chat window that talks to an AI that takes action on your behalf. Don't skip it.